Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Honda HR-V VTI-S, stock reference number 5471. The shape runs from the 12th month 2014 through to the 10th month 2021. It has an R18 ZF, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. R18 ZF, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single zone heated controls, sat nav, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.